Are you ready to break into the world of cybersecurity in 2026, even if you don't have a technical background or a degree? This roadmap is designed just for you. The focus is on becoming a cybersecurity generalist, which opens up the most job opportunities. We'll start with the foundations, core certifications that build your knowledge from the ground up. We'll begin with the Google Cybersecurity Certificate for a broad introduction to operating systems, networking, Python, Linux, and SQL. Next, you'll master GRC, learning about risk management and the business side of security. Then, you'll get hands-on with TryHackMe SOC Level 1. And finally, solidify your theoretical understanding with CompTIA Security Plus. These steps ensure you're well-rounded and job-ready. Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to stand out in the job market. Don't just list your duties, package your lab work and practical projects as real experience. Start with a concise professional summary that clearly states your goal. Highlight your hands-on assessments from GRC Mastery and TryHackMe. Use a keyword strategy. Search for cyber roles on LinkedIn and apply, even if they ask for 1-2 years of experience. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit to spend at least 30 minutes applying to jobs. This approach helps you gain visibility and increases your chances of landing interviews, even as a newcomer. Remember, practical experience and persistence are your best allies. In today's cybersecurity landscape, AI is a powerful tool, but it won't replace you. Instead, professionals who know how to use AI will have a clear advantage. Start by using free resources like those from Anthropic Claude to learn how to integrate AI into your workflow. Once you understand the fundamentals, use AI for tasks like report writing and code analysis. This not only boosts your productivity, but also makes you more attractive to employers. By combining your foundational skills with AI integration, you'll stand out as a forward-thinking candidate ready for the future of cybersecurity. After mastering the basics and landing your first job, it's time to level up. Explore advanced areas like blue teaming, defensive security, cloud security, and offensive security. For blue teaming, certifications like CCD or HTB-CDSA will deepen your SOC skills. In cloud security, focus on Azure's SC900 and SC200 or AWS's Cloud Practitioner and Security Specialty. If you're interested in ethical hacking, consider EJPT for beginners or OSCP HTB CPTS for advanced roles. These advanced skills not only expand your expertise, but also open doors to specialized and higher-paying roles in the cybersecurity field. As you follow this roadmap, be aware of common mistakes. First, don't underestimate the effort required. One course isn't enough. Consistent practice is essential. Second, avoid information overload by ignoring non-professional opinions and sticking to your plan. Finally, don't let fear of rejection hold you back. Rejection is a normal part of the process, not a reflection of your potential. Stay focused, keep learning, and remember that every step brings you closer to your goal. With dedication and the right strategy, you'll be well on your way to a successful cybersecurity career in 2026.